Hello everyone, welcome to today videos where we are diving into the exciting world of sports betting. If you're watching from countries like the United States of America, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, New Zealand, South Africa, Japan, Singapore, Sweden, Denmark, Ireland, Portugal, Belgium, or Netherlands, Switzerland, Greece, or Finland. You are in luck. These countries typically have fully legalized betting offering. You are world of opportunities to enjoy the thrill of betting responsibly. Betting in India. Now let's talk about India. Betting is often considered illegal here, but there are ways to navigate the scenes. However, it is essential to proceed with caution. Your hard-earned money can get tied up in certain situations, so it is vital to stay informed about the local law and regulation. But here is the exciting part. I am on the lookout for like-minded individual who share a passion for betting. If you are someone who believes in your ability to predict outcome, especially in sports like cricket, I would love to connect and collaborate. We will all know that some matches seems to be well predictable and there is a potential to make significant profit. For more info, if you're interested to join forces, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. Let's explore opportunities together and see where our shared knowledge can take us. Don't wait too long to the world of sporting betting. Move fast. And there you have it. Enjoy the video. You want more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means that world to me. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.